Your support agents already know a customer is a VIP. They just can't see it when the chat message comes in. Today, we're fixing that with Zendesk custom user fields in messaging. By default, custom user fields are locked away in the user profile, completely separate from the chat interface. Every time an agent needs that context, they have to click away from the conversation and break the support flow. Custom user fields let you attach extra data points directly to customer profiles, things like subscription tiers, assigned account managers, and product plans. Only agents and admins can see them, which makes them perfect for internal categorization and smart automation. Creating your first custom field is straightforward. Head to Admin Center, click People, then Configuration, then User Fields. Click Add Field, choose your type, give it a name, and save. The whole setup takes under 2 minutes. Zendesk offers several field types for different kinds of data. Drop-down and checkbox fields are the most powerful for automation because they automatically generate tags whenever a value is selected, which you can use in views and triggers right away. Here is the most important rule before creating any field. The field key cannot be changed after creation. Plan your naming convention up front, use snake case consistently, and prefix keys by category like tier, Sebun, or ASCII TT, so your setup stays clean as it scales. If you are on a professional or enterprise plan, you can configure cards to display custom fields directly inside the Agent Workspace chat panel. Go to Admin Center, then Workspaces, then Agent Tools, then Cards, and your agents will never need to leave the conversation again. On lower tier plans, there is a simple workaround. Drop-down and checkbox fields automatically generate tags that appear on every ticket. Agents spot a VIP tag instantly, without any special configuration or extra clicks. Unlike views, triggers can reference your custom user fields as direct conditions, no tag workarounds needed. Set a trigger to fire when customer tier equals VIP, then automatically assign high priority. The logic is cleaner and far more reliable. Macros can pull custom field values directly into your agent responses using placeholders. Use the syntax ticket.requester.custom.fields. Dot your field key to insert any value automatically. For date fields, add Ruby date formatting to display a clean, readable date like 15th March 2026. Easel AI connects to your Zendesk account and automatically reads your entire custom field structure. No API configuration, no developer time required. It uses your fields to route VIP customers to the right queues, personalize every response by tier, and resolve up to 81% of frontline tickets autonomously. Before you build, establish a naming convention and stick to it. Use drop-down fields over free text whenever you need automation, since consistent values keep triggers and views reliable, and run a quarterly audit to remove fields that are no longer in use. Custom user fields become exponentially more powerful when an AI can act on them automatically. Connect Easel AI to your Zendesk account and watch it personalize every conversation from day one. Try it free for 7 days, no credit card required.